Are you looking to transfer money from your Direct Express card to Cash App in 2025? You have come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to make this process seamless and efficient. Step 1. Open the Cash App. First, launch the Cash App on your mobile device. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play and download it. Step 2. Access your profile. Once you are in app, tap on the profile icon located in top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the account settings. Link your Direct Express card. Now look for the Link Bank option. Tap on it and select Add a debit card. Here you will need to enter your Direct Express card details, including debit card number, CVV, expiration date, zip code associated with your accounts. Follow the prompts until your card is successfully linked. Step 4. Add cash to your account. With your Direct Express card link, it's time to add cash. Go back to the home screen and tap on the Money tab. Select Add Cash. Choose the amount you wish to transfer and then tap Add. You will be prompted to confirm this action using your Touch ID or PIN. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from your Direct Express card to Cash App. This method not only allows for easy access to your funds, but also helps you to manage your finance more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.